Alright guys, it's been raining all day and I wanted to do a video update because I remember the other day I came out, well, I was coming out at first like a 2-day rain or even a 1-day rain. If it was a heavy rain, I wouldn't be able to start my vehicle. I would have to dry it out with a blow dryer, and I got tired of that because if you have to do that and dry it out with a blow dryer or dry your distributor cap out, you might as well just change it because it's gonna keep happening. It's gonna keep happening, like it did to me. So, if you look at my other videos, my previous videos, I went to the junkyard, got one, cleaned it up, put it on, and I put it on like I want to say a week ago, maybe. And we haven't had no rain, but these last 2 days we had a lot of rain, and I haven't started my vehicle, so I wanted to check and see if it's working. So, I didn't start it up before to make sure it start. I like to, start up so y'all are going to see exactly what I see when I start it up. Perfect. Start right up. Start right up. Perfect. So, yeah. If you guys, you can check out my previous vehicles, how to install a rotor cap and a rotor cap and distributor cap on a 1996 Tahoe. You can go get a used one from the junkyard, clean it up like I did, and slap it on there. Because I know like some people say, oh, it don't cost that much, but the distributor cap is like $50 brand new, and the rotor cap is like 20. So I mean, and I got it from the ended up getting it from the junkyard for free because the guy, he was like, oh, that's all you got, go ahead. So it must not cost that much. So I ended up doing that. So yeah, it's gonna be a short video. Don't forget to yeah, because it's beeping but gonna start getting on my nerves. But don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Later.